Hello and welcome back to my channel where I'm documenting my journey to strong, healthy nails. Only this week, you won't be seeing my nails. Oh no. This time, I'll be doing my husband's nails. In fact, I'm providing for him today his very own at-home spa experience. I've yet to replace my hair and face steamer, so for now, all I can offer him is a manicure. So I'm gonna start out with cleansing his hands in a warm water mix of soap and essential oils. I'm gonna continue with a homemade body scrub that I made for my exfoliation days. It's just a simple concoction of brown sugar, coconut oil, and several drops of some essential oils. The ones that I used was tea tree, ylang, lavender, and jojoba. So I'm gently scrubbing his skin, but he's definitely got some rough calluses on his palm, so I'm gonna go in on those areas. Look at those big old hands. You know, it was once said that just one of these hands can hold a 2-liter bottle. Can you believe that? I'm just kidding. Not really. So I'm moving on to the next step, which is pushing back and removing the cuticles. I don't do this too often, even with my own nails, just because I'm still a bit nervous about causing damage, like cutting too close to the eponychium. So I'm just gonna use my husband as practice, while also providing a relaxing experience for him. I don't have any cuticle remover liquids or anything to help with this process, so I'm hoping that cleansing and scrubbing his hands prior to this would just help to soften the cuticle. At some point in the future, I do want to get better tools and proper cuticle removal liquid and things like that to really take care of my nails and get them, in the most healthy state. But for now, I'll just practice proper technique. Okay, cleaning up the cuticles is now complete. I'm gonna continue on with filing his nails. They're already in pretty decent shape, so I don't really have to do too much. Now I'm just wiping his nails with alcohol to remove any oils from the nails before applying the base coat. I won't be doing a style on his nails. Today is just about relaxing and having a self-care day. This is actually the first time I'm ever doing his nails, so I'm just gonna stick with a natural look. So he's not talking in the video this time. He's literally been nodding off the entire time since I started doing his nails. If you see me pulling his hands towards me, it's because he's about to fall over on the couch from falling asleep. I didn't think this would put him to sleep, to be honest. I thought we'd be talking the whole time, but it's okay. I guess this is the point of taking a spa day. I'm gonna apply the top coat now. Wearing these gloves makes me feel like a professional. Right now, I feel like a professional nail tech. By the way, these are the kinds of disposable gloves that I use when I wash my hair so that my nails are protected from the water. Now that his nails are dry, it's time for applying cuticle oil and massaging it into his cuticles and his nails. Spa day is not over yet. Here's a really bad close-up of the Aveeno lotion I'm using to moisturize his hands. I'm gonna follow up with an oil mixture I made so that there's less friction to massage his hands. Okay, so that's the end of his spa day manicure and massage. Maybe you can use this as inspiration to surprise your loved one with a relaxing DIY experience at home. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back next week.